Hey, how's it going? This is Nick from Dallas. So, what I wanted to do today was show you my Impact Mailing Club website and how I go about generating traffic and building a list. So, let's just get right into it. And I want to just show you the whole process. So, let's see, share my screen. Okay, so this is my capture page. Okay, so whenever I'm sending out traffic, or if I'm buying traffic or putting an ad on Craigslist or whatever, this is the page that it's going to go to. So, it has, nice bold letters that, and I'm going to give a little bit of a lesson on how to do this properly, just being an email marketer for years. You want to make sure your box where people can put their name and their email in, you want to make sure that is what they call above the fold. You don't want them to have to keep scrolling in order to get to that box. That box should be right in front of them, okay? Your headline, you want to make sure it is big letters and your message is clear. Sometimes if you want to use a different color word in the middle to highlight one of your main keywords, and that's pretty much it. So we'll just go ahead and opt in. So Nicholas, we'll just use one of my other websites. Okay, so now what this is going to do, so that's your capture page. Now it's going to go to what we call your sales page. Now here is where I put a video of me giving an overview about what Impact Mailing Club is about. Now, if you're on my team, feel free to use my video if you want. All you have to do is just download it and upload it to your YouTube channel. I'm totally fine with you doing that. That way I can just explain the program. When you feel comfortable enough, then you can make your own video where you can explain it as well, but that's the placeholder where that video would go, right? Now you just have a whole bunch of really good copy and bullet points that are going to help sell the program for you. That way you don't have to do all the talking, right? You've already introduced yourself and told them what the video, or told them what the company is about. Now they're going down here and saying, okay, there's no experience necessary, no need to do phone sales, no monthly membership fees, no personal selling, affordable startup cost. It's like, okay, so this is cool. It's perfect for almost anybody. So how does this work? Impact Mailing Club takes advantage of direct mail. So it basically gives them a little bit of history on what direct mail is. More bullet points here, just basically telling them what they're going to receive and how this program works. So there's 3 simple steps, right? Number 1, choose your earning potential. So there's different levels, which I'll show you the form because that's important for you guys to see the form. But there's different levels: $100, $250, $500, $2,000. Those are different levels that people can get in at. Right? Now you download that letter, and then you check the mailbox for your first payment. So it's a little bit, let me explain it a little better. So if somebody comes to this website, now they're like, okay, do I want to get in at the 100, 255? So obviously it's a financial decision. What can they afford? I would always tell people, don't spend more than you can afford to lose. Now, this is a program you're going to win at because we're going to make sure you win at it because you're going to follow the systems that have led us to win. So my sponsor, Marianne, she has made probably close to $10,000 with this program. She's been doing it a lot longer than me. She finally got me to join. I'm glad I did. So I've already made close to $3,000 myself with this program. So it's really not that hard. It's direct mail marketing. You don't need to have any technical know-how. That's why, if you want this website, you can purchase it from me. I'll sell it to you at my cost. I'm not trying to make a profit. I'm trying to help you guys out. So that way you'll have a capture page, a sales page, and the email autoresponder. So those emails that, when I put in my name and my email address, that is going to go to a service that's going to be attached to this website. It's going to go to it, and all of your emails are going to be in there, all the people that opt in. And I'm going to have a 10-day follow-up series. So for the next, let's say 3 weeks, every few days, it's going to send an email out to those people. By the way, have you taken a look at Impact Mailing Club? Have you decided to make a decision? Is there anything we could do to help you? That's a follow-up. And even when you send out postcards and flyers, you want to put that website on there. Why? Because if you just send out a postcard and you're hoping that they just take action, you're pretty much going to waste your money. But if you give them a chance to reach out to you, whether it's your phone number, email address, a way to contact you on social media, your YouTube channel, you're giving them a way to get back to you so you can keep the correspondence going. But your best bet is your website, because once they put in their name and their email address, now you have the ability to keep reaching out to them, okay? So hopefully that makes a lot of sense. Now, once they decide where they go, all of these are the same link. It goes to the same form, but let's just say we go over here. Now, if you decide you want to join me, you just print out this form, okay? It tells you exactly how much it costs to get into every level. Now remember, until March 6th, 2020, you can get in at a promo price, right? So if you get in at the $100 Emerald, they're going to bump you up to the 250 Ruby. So even though you only paid 100, going forward after the promotion is over and you're marketing, if people want to come in at the $250 level, you can still earn on that level because you came in at a promotional rate. Same thing goes for Sapphire to Diamond, okay? You can get in at $500, and once the promotion period ends and everything goes back to regular price, you can advertise Diamond. So even though you came in at $500, you can get people in at $2,000 and make your $1,000 commission, okay? So with the money, you also get books of stamps. Why is that? Because postage will get expensive if you have to keep paying your postage. But if part of the deal is you're going to get paid, plus you're going to get books of stamps, well, now all you have to do is just get your postcards ready or your flyers ready, and you already have stamps to put on them. So that way it's going to save you a lot in postage costs. Because I mean, if you have 3 books of stamps just laying around, you might as well utilize them, right? That one stamp on one letter can go into the mail. If it hits the right person, you can end up making $65, $150, $300, $1,000. Just depends what level you get in at. And that's why the Sapphire to Diamond promotion is so amazing, because this is a true story. I actually got in during the Sapphire to Diamond promotion. That's how Marianne got me in, because she's like, hey, you don't want to miss out on this because you can get a $2,000 position for $500. So that's what I did. I got in at $500. After the promotional period was over, I started promoting it, and one of my friends joined. And he joined at the diamond level. So even though I came in as a sapphire, he came in as a diamond, and I received my $1,000 commission. That's how powerful this program is. All right. So don't sleep on it. Don't just assume that people only get in a promotional. They don't. People get in all the time because they don't know when the next promotional period is. It's like, well, by the time I wait for that promotional period, I could just get started and make the money, right? That way, once the promotional period comes in again, now you're established. Now you've got into this program. You've already made money. You could tell people that, listen, I came in at full price and I made money. You have a chance to come in at promotional level. So don't worry about the promotional period. If you're watching this video now, if this is something you want to do, then get in at the Emerald or the Sapphire and get bumped up a level, right? If you miss it, you can wait until the next promo, or you can just get started and make money. And then when there's another promo, you market that to people. So hopefully that makes sense. So bottom line is, if you want to join this company, in the description area, I'll have this link, imc.cash. That's my website. Okay, it'll redirect to this website, or I might even just put this website, whichever case may be. Yeah, you know what? Let me say that again. I am going to give you the imc.cash website. Why? Because I want you to do what I'm teaching, is put in your name and your email address. That way you'll start getting the follow-up emails, and you'll see how this whole process works. That way, rather than me just talk about it, you can actually see it in action. Okay? And then you print out this flyer, and like I said, box 1 is me, box 2 is my sponsor, Marianne, and box 3 is the company. So let's just say you came in at the Emerald position, right? So $65 you would send to me, $20 you'd send to Marianne, $15 you'd send to the company. That's their administrative fee. Okay, that's how they keep the company running. That's how they keep the promotional materials, the training, and everything. All right, and speaking of the training, well, what are you going to learn in this? Well, aside from learning how to buy business leads and how to market to those, we also have a lot of training. Just last week, the owner of the company, Rose, she was teaching us how to do Facebook ads. There's companies out there that charge thousands of dollars to learn Facebook ads. She's teaching it just as a part of being this company, right? So even if you came in at the $100 level, we had a training last week on Facebook ads that could end up making you a lot of money. And Facebook ads isn't that expensive. It can get expensive, but you don't have to. You could just do $3, $4, $5 a day. I was doing like $7 a day. And my chatbot broke, so I have to fix that. But that's a story for another day. So I had to turn off the ads to fix my chatbot. And that's something I will teach too. So like I said, I don't want to complicate this because all you need to do is mail out postcards and flyers, maybe make a few YouTube videos, a few Craigslist ads. That's it. I'm doing a lot more because I'm an internet marketer. I have more tech skills, but I can teach you those things. Okay. So if you want to learn how to build a sales funnel, if you want to learn how to write emails, if you want to know how to build a chatbot, those are all things you're going to learn from me over the course of being a part of this program and being on my team. All right. So that's it. That's exactly how it works. And like I said, if you come in at the Emerald, we'll bump you up to the Ruby for free. You don't have to pay $250. You pay $100, we'll bump you to the $250 during the promotional period, which ends March 6th at whatever midnight. Okay. If you come in at the Sapphire, I can't tell you how big of an opportunity this is to pay $500 and get put at the $2,000 level. So going forward, when people come in at a Diamond, you're going to make $1,000 commission, even though you only came in at the $500 level. Okay. So that's really awesome as well. And that's pretty much it. That's how the program works. You drive people to your capture page, or you send postcards and flyers in the mail. The whole point is for them to download this form. So let's put it this way. If you send out a flyer, you're going to send out this form too. You're going to fold a couple of pieces of paper, put it in an envelope and send it. Now, if you do a postcard, you definitely want to put the website address because you can't staple this form to a postcard. It doesn't work like that, right? So you want that postcard to have your website address, which they'll come to the website. They'll come to this website. They'll learn more about the opportunity. Then they'll just get the flyer from here, and they'll just print it out and send it. Okay, so that's exactly how easy the program is. So I just don't want to complicate it. This is what I want you to do, though. If you have any questions, actually, let's go back to this page because we stopped here. I wanted to let you know, yeah, so, it'll have your picture there. It'll have your information, your phone number, your email, whatever you want to do, Skype. And I also put this is an important thing because this is another bonus for being on my team. In this video is where I'm explaining to people who I am. And if they don't understand what the program is, if they're still confused, if they click on this link, they can set up a phone call with me. They just fill out the questionnaire, leave their phone number, and I'll call them. We'll have a quick 15-minute phone call so we can discuss the different options if you have any confusion. But this is the thing. What is the bonus? The bonus is if you want to leave this video on your page, you can. If they want to schedule a call with me, I will close out your leads for you. They can call me. I'll get on the phone with them. I'll say that, listen, on your flyer, what is the name in box 1? Because obviously I'd be the name in box 2, right? So they'll be like, well, it says Jim in box 1. So then I know it's Jim's lead because Jim joined me. So I said, yeah, Jim's a great guy. He joined the program, was really excited about it. And, I'm happy to help him get some success. And I want to help you as well. So now I know that it's Jim's lead. I close out the sale. That person's going to send Jim money. That person's going to send me money. They're going to send the company money. We're going to get them plugged into my system. We're going to teach them a lot more ways to market and everything. So anyways, I hope that explains everything. Like I said, if there's any confusion at all, in the comments below, just leave me a comment. Let me know what your question is. I will get back to you, okay? You can also email me. You can link up with me on Facebook. You can hit me up on Skype. But first and foremost, leave a comment below. The reason why is because there could be other people that have the same question as you. And then if I answer it and they see that, then it helps me out as well. So I'm not answering the same question over and over. And I can focus on other things like helping my team, especially after you join. So that's pretty much it from me. Like I said, connect with me. If you can, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it, leave a comment below, let me know where you're from, what you learned, if you have any questions. And I hope to see you on the team soon. Like I said, March 6th is when that promotion ends, 100 to 250 and the 500 to 2,000. If you have any questions, we can jump on a call. I can alleviate any sort of concerns. Like I said, if you want a website like this, I'm not charging a lot. I'm just charging what it costs me, which is $97. You get the capture page, you get the sales page, you get the autoresponder where your emails will come into, and you'll get a 10-day follow-up series. So those people get emailed. You can also, I will have trainings where you can go in there as well. Like say after 10 days, you're like, I want to email these people myself. I'll teach you how to do that, how to log in and send in your own email. I'll teach you, if you want. It's like, hey, I don't have time for that. I'll teach you where you can hire virtual assistants that can do those things for you. So like I said, this is a program that can really change your life. like I said, Marianne's made almost $10,000 in a very short period of time. I've only been in for even shorter period of time, and I've already made like $3,000. So there's definitely potential here for you to have a supplemental income, another stream of income in your house, help pay some bills, help you go on that vacation. As a matter of fact, if you hear this on this video, if you get into this program, I will give you a free vacation, okay? I'm with a company where I have vouchers to give you free hotel stays at different places. I don't even care what level you come in at. You come in at the $100 level, I'll still give you a free vacation. That way you're basically in the program for free. And these vacations, you can go to Las Vegas, you can go to Thailand, you can go to Mexico, you can go to, cute little towns like Branson, Missouri, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So really, really cool incentives. And how can we do that? Because we have relationships with different hotels. So during the non-peak seasons, or just whenever it's slow, they'll have availability. And if you go over there, they'll give you the room for free. All you have to do is just pay the hotel taxes, which are minimal, maybe like $20 a day, the resort fees. But your room and everything is free because they're banking on you to have a good time there, have a good experience, go to restaurants, do a little tourism. They're going to make their money that way. In the hotel business, a full room is better than an empty room, right? Even if they have to give it away, because they can make money with other things too. So anyways, just a little secret there. Like I said, if you hear it on this video and you join, then message me after you join and say that, Nick, hey, you said you're going to give me a free vacation. I will give you a free vacation. I promise you that. So once you're fully in the system, you've joined the team, everybody has got their payments, I will give you a free vacation. You have my word on that. So anyways, again, this is Nick LaSalle from Dallas, Texas, and hope you learned a lot about this, or a lot about Impact Mailing Club in this video, and I hope to see you join the team soon.